I got an idea. See those cars down there?
Yeah.
Red one's yours, I'll be blue. We throw bricks. Whoever breaks all the windows to their car wins.
Are you kidding me? I'm like the Brickmaster.
All right. Loser has to answer a question. No sarcasm.
What is this, truth or truth? All right, fool. You're on. Yeah, close. And that's how you do it. Yeah, you like that?
Two down.
Crash. Bullseye. Ha. That's one. Yes! Brick?
Fucking master! My car had tougher windows.
Yeah, whatever, loser. All right, question time.
I'm scared.
Okay. Why did you leave without telling me?
I was in a weird space. Look, I didn't tell anyone.
But I wasn't just anyone, was I?
No, it's just